Hi everyone, Melanie here from Balloon Artworks. A balloon dog is probably the most popular request that a balloon twister is going to get at a gig. So I found it, when I was twisting at gigs, really handy to have a few different types of dogs that I could make, so I wasn't always giving people the same design. So I'm going to show you today how to make a balloon poodle. Using a 260 inflated with a tail of 5 to 6 fingers, twist off a bubble that is about 5 fingers, okay? There you go. And then make a loop that is about the same size. Twist off a small bubble of a couple of fingers. Make sure you keep hold of this section here. And next, you're going to want to twist off a bubble that is about 4 to 5 fingers. And then twist another bubble to match this one. Give your balloon a bit of a squeeze to soften it. Again, keep hold of this section here, because if you let go, everything will unravel. Bend the balloon over and measure a bubble to match this one. And then fold the two over and twist together, okay? And at this point, you can let go. Okay, we want another section of about 4 fingers, so this is the dog's body. And then make 2 more legs like this, so similar sort of size. Okay, bend the balloon over, put a twist here. Okay, keep hold of everything, bend these sections over, wrap around. Okay, now it's entirely up to you whether you want to leave the tail like this. If you want to make a little poodle tail, then snap out the end here, put a little twist here, so you're leaving a little bubble here. And then squeeze this bubble here just to push it up into the end of the balloon, okay? And that gives you a little poodle tail. Okay, so to create the poodle's head, you take this bubble here and you pass it through the center of this loop that we made here. So just take that, turn it upwards, pass it through the center until it's peeping out the other side, and then you can just move that around. And then you can adjust as you need to. You can have as much or as little of the nose peeping through as you want. So there's your really cute balloon poodle, and I'll see you again in the next lesson.